Hello coders, I'm back again with another Excel video. In this video, I'll be guiding you on how to highlight duplicate records and then effectively delete all those duplicate records. So to highlight the duplicate records, select this particular column. Within this particular column, I want to highlight all those cells which have the duplicate's name in it. So I will be going to the home section and from there conditional formatting and then highlight cell rule, and here I will be selecting duplicate values and I can choose whatever color it is, maybe custom format. From there I can select any fill color, maybe yellow with a bold font in it, and having the color of those font color will be maybe in blue. So that's custom formatting. So these are the records which are duplicate. Achinta Das is appearing twice in row number 3 and row number 10. Again, Achinta Das is appearing in row number 13. So now you are given, now the data has been selected that these are the duplicate records. You need to delete all those records. What you can do is that select this particular data set and from the data tab go to this particular, use this option, remove duplicate, and you are unselect all, and then from there we will be just concentrating upon employee names and then hit OK. For duplicates, values found and removed 9 unique values remain. So that's how you can quickly just filter out your data, keeping only the unique records or highlight the duplicate records present in your data set. Thank you all guys and happy coding.